Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, your go-to spot for all things tech and cybersecurity. Today we are stepping into the future of digital security as we look at the top antivirus software options available now and what make them essential in our increasingly connected world. As we move further into the digital age, cyber threats are becoming more sophisticated and protecting your personal data is more important than ever. Whether it is through ransomware attacks, phishing, or malware, have the right antivirus software can be the difference between a secure system and one at risk. So, without further ado, let's explore the cutting edge antivirus software that's all keep you safe today, tomorrow, and beyond. First is Norton 360, the all in one cyber guarantee. In the realm of digital security, Norton 360 lead the way with its advanced AI powered threat detection. Imagine having a digital guardian that not only keeps virus and malware at bay but also scan your internal activity for vulnerability in real time. Norton's cloud backup and VPN capability are a must for those who want a multi-layered security solution. Northern does not stop there. Its password manager ensures that your private login are encrypted and secure, while its SafeCam feature shield you from unauthorized access to your webcam, offering protection from modern cyber espionage. And second is Bitdefender, the speed and precision of tomorrow tech. Next up is Bitdefender, the software that's ahead of its time. Bitdefender Advanced Threat Defense use artificial intelligence to analyze the behavior of apps and processor in real time, learning and evolving to identify even the most sophisticated threats. Bitdefender's Autopilot mode acts like an invisible security officer that takes care of everything behind the scene without slowing down your system performance. That means you can work, play, or stream without worrying about the safety of your data. And third is MCFE, the future of privacy and protection. Moving into the future of privacy protection, we have MCFC. This antivirus is built for the world of today and tomorrow, providing real-time security across all devices with cloud-based threat detection. MCFC does not just block virus, it stops phishing attacks, identify theft, and even online scam. In the future, online shopping, banking, and socializing will continue to move forward, and MCFC ensuring that your personal identity stay protected as you navigate the digital landscape. It even includes a web advisor that flags suspicious links in real time. And fourth is Casper Sky, cutting edge threat detection. Casper Sky is another leader in future proof antivirus protection. Real time scanning powered by machine learning identify threat before they even become a problem. It is like having a virtual crystal ball that predict and stop cyber attacks in their tracks. Whether you have working remotely or browsing social media, Casper Sky antivirus phishing and anti-ransomware capability will keep you safe. Plus, its privacy tools ensure you have control over how your data is shared and used online. And fifth is Trend Micro, the privacy and security of tomorrow's web. And last but not least, we have Trend Micro, which is shaping the future of digital privacy. As well, all move into the era of digital banking, cloud-based service, and remote working. Trend Micro ensure that your financial transaction and personal data are protected by advanced encryption and AI-driven threat protection. In the future, as threats become more complex, Trend Micro's privacy tool will be your best defense against the evolving landscape of online crime. So there you have it, the top antivirus software for a future-proof, secure digital life. Whether you are looking for powerful malware detection like Norton or Bitdefender, or a privacy first approach like Trend Micro, these tools are designed to keep you safe as we move deeper into the digital age. With cyber threats becoming more advanced, having the right antivirus software is not just an option, it is essential. So, which antivirus will you trust to protect your digital future? If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell so you don't miss any of our future tech and security content. Stay ahead of the curve, stay protected, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, stay safe in the digital world. As our digital world evolves, this antivirus program will continue to evolve alongside it, and whether you are working, gaming, or simply browsing the web, having one of these tools at your side will ensure your safety and privacy. So, there you have it, folks. We have just explored the top antivirus software option that will keep your digital life safe both now and in the future. From Northern comprehensive protection to Trendo Micro's cutting edge privacy tool, the future of cybersecurity is already here and it is looking brighter than ever.